Hi guys, I'm Manpreet. This wedding season, create your own Sangeet jewelry. So let's get started.
We need a piece of bukram and arkandi, square kundan pieces, tops, gota lace, wooden birds, golden beads, ruby beads. Take a piece of bukram and cut 2 square pieces. Paste tops and kundan pieces using fabric glue. Place it on a piece of foam for drying. Take arkandi and cut 2 circles of 2 cm radius. Give it a shape of cone and cover it with gota lace. Now add the ruby beads, golden beads and the wooden bird to give the final touch.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.